Hello yogis, welcome to the Yoga TX YouTube channel. My name is Jill Enticknap and it is wonderful to have you here. Let's go ahead and start today's practice. If you're looking for something to bring mobility into the body, to open up, to lengthen, you are in the perfect place. This is going to be a short 15-minute practice that is going to help us lengthen out the body. So we're going to start our class today with our legs extended out in front of us in a nice tall seated position. I invite you to flip the palms facing down, closing down the eyes, and let's start to tap into our breath, feeling the inhale expand within the body. Feeling the exhale release, and as you release, maybe you feel your body connect more deeply to the space beneath you, feeling nice and grounded. And maybe as you ground down into the sit bones, you lengthen the crown toward the sky. Let's take two more. Full deep breath in. Complete breath out. And again, deep breath in. Complete breath out. Let's inhale, sweep the arms up overhead, and exhale, hinge forward, coming into a seated forward fold. Maybe you're really starting to feel that through the hamstrings, through the back line. Again, breathing length and space into the body. Deep breath in, full breath out. And again, deep breath in, full breath out. Let's bring the torso through center. Inhale, arms sweep up overhead. Exhale, let's twist right, draw the right shoulder back, gaze back. Inhale through center. Exhale, twist left, draw that left shoulder back, gaze back. Beautiful. Inhale through center. Exhale, sweep the hands behind you, plant the hands down, open through the front line, creating that length and space. Big breath in, full breath out. And again, big breath in, full breath out. Torso through center. Let's cross the ankles and shift ourselves forward, finding our tabletop position. Stacking shoulders over wrists, knees under hips. Let's inhale, arch the spine, lift the gaze, shine the chest forward. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the chin to the chest, draw the belly button to the spine. Inhale, cow, arch and lift. Exhale, cat, round and tuck. Take two more. Inhale, arch and lift. Exhale, round and tuck. Come through neutral. Let's flip those toes, pressing the toes into the floor, press the hips back to the heels, and then bring it forward over the wrists. Press it back to the heels, bring it forward over the wrists. One more, press it back, bring it forward. Come to neutral, tops of the feet, press into the mat. Inhale, reach the right hand forward, send the left leg back, lengthening from the heel through the fingertips. Roll out your wrist and ankle. Let's go in both directions. Inhale, extend. Flip the palm facing down, press through the heel. Let's pulse that hand and leg for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the hand and knee down, switching it out. Left hand forward, right leg back, press through that heel. Flip the palm down, press the heel back and pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring that hand down. Let's bring the hands forward. Let the elbows come down onto the mat, finding your puppy pose. Sink your hips back. Feel that length through the spine. Anchor into the palms and see if you can create more space and length through the underarm, through the chest, through the shoulders. Walk the hands back underneath the shoulders. Inhale, right hand high, open through the chest, lift with the gaze. Reach for the back of the head, open up with that elbow, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, tap elbow to elbow. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, tap. One more. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, tap. Inhale, reach that right hand high, and exhale, bring it down. Inhale, left hand high. Reach for the back of the head. Open up. Inhale. Exhale, tap. Elbow to elbow. Inhale, open. Exhale, tap. Inhale, open. Exhale, tap. Inhale, reach. Exhale, release. Once again, flip the toes, hover the knees. Let's press through the palms, turbo dog. Press through those palms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hips come high, heels sink down. Deep breath in, full breath out. Press it forward, find your high plank position. For this high plank, let's zip the legs up tight together, sink the booty down, draw the belly button to the spine, engage for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the hips up and back, ground down into the left foot, right leg lifts, three-legged dog. Roll out the ankle, 3, 2, 1. Right leg lands, left leg lifts. Roll out the ankle for 3, 2, 1. Release that foot down. Press it back forward, high plank. Let's take it through a chaturanga. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, lower to the floor or hover. Press through the palms. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, press it back, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg high, three-legged dog. Look forward, step that right foot forward. Let's bring the back heel down, finding your warrior one. Checking in with your foundation. Your front foot is pointed straight forward, back foot's at that 45-degree angle, pointing to the left corner of your mat. Hips and shoulders are squared forward. Reach through your fingertips. Press into the outside edge of the back foot. Let's take 3 deep breaths here. Open up for your warrior two, paralleling your back foot to the back side of your mat, heel to arch alignment with the feet, arms are straight and strong. You want the front knee stacked over the front ankle. If it's too far away, walk it back so that it can be nice and stacked. Shoulders are stacked over the hips, arms are straight and strong, gaze is forward. 3 deep breaths. Keeping the arms to a T, let's straighten that front leg. Reach forward, triangle pose. Right hand down, left hand high. Reach with your top fingertips, stacking your shoulders. 3 deep breaths. Torso comes through center. Keep those arms teed. Parallel the right foot to the back side of the mat. Front foot comes forward, finding that warrior two to the opposite side. Gaze is forward. Let's check in our foundation. Front knees stacked over the front ankle. Shoulders are stacked over the hips. Arms are straight and strong. Let's straighten out through that front leg. Reach forward, left hand down, right hand high. 3 deep breaths. Triangle pose. Bend into that front knee, teeing out the arms. Let's take that back foot, point it toward the top right corner of the mat, and reach your arms up, finding that warrior one on this side. Front foot is pointed straight forward, back foot's at a 45-degree angle, hips and shoulders are squared forward. 2 deep breaths. Take the hands down to the mat. Step that front foot back, find your high plank. Zip the legs up tight together. Really engage here. Inhale. Exhale, lower to a hover or all the way down, squeezing the elbows in. Unflip the toes, press through the palms, upward facing dog. Exhale, press it back, downward facing dog. Deep breath in. Full breath out. Press it forward, high plank. Lower all the way down to your stomach. Tops of the feet, press into the mat, tuck the elbows into the side body. Inhale, cobra. Gaze stays out on the floor in front of you, lengthening from the toes through the crown. Maybe you press the toes into the floor and lift the kneecaps off. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, lower. Stack the palms on top of one another. Let the forehead rest on the backs of the palms. Deep breath in. Full breath out. Deep breath in. Full breath out. Hands come underneath the shoulders. Let's press the hips up. Bring the knees wide. Sinking the hips back to the heels. Find your child's pose. Let's take 3 deep breaths here in our child's pose. Walk your hands back toward your body, pressing yourself up, all the way up. Let's shift ourselves over to the right or the left side. Send those legs back out in front of you and find that seated position that we started in. Let's inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Take the left hand to the outside edge of the right leg. Right hand sweeps back, twist. Come back forward. Let's take that left foot to the outside edge of the right leg. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist left. Back through center, send that left foot forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Take the right hand to the outside edge of the left leg. Reach the left hand back. Inhale, arms up. Take the right foot to the outside edge of the left leg. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Come back through center, send that right foot forward. Plant the hands behind you, point the toes, reverse plank. Lift the hips, engage the glutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, lower it down. If you need to shimmy yourself forward on your mat, do so. Let's reach forward, slow and control, lower all the way down to your back. Draw both knees into your chest. Wrap your hands around the knees, gently rock from side to side. Draw the forehead toward the knees, wrapping yourself up into a tiny ball, squeezing everything in. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, release everything out, finding that final resting pose. Deep breath in. Full breath out. Couple more. Let yourself release and relax here. Bring your knees into your chest, wrap your hands around your knees, gently rock from side to side. Grab the backs of your legs, rock yourself up to a seated position. You can keep those legs extended long. Stay nice and tall. You can flip the palms, palm facing down on your thighs. Let's take a couple deep breaths here. Quick, short little practice to get the body moving, to awaken our awareness, to really get ourselves into our bodies. Take a moment to thank yourself for being here. I'm going to find an easy seat to face you, pressing the palms together, tucking the chin to the chest. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up for you. Thank you for doing something wonderful for your mental, physical, emotional well-being. This practice benefits you on all of these different levels. Again, my name is Jill Enticknap, the lead trainer and founder of Yogi Institute, an online yoga school and studio, and I'm here with you on Yoga TX once a week. I am super happy to share this practice with you. If you're looking for longer classes, there's a ton of classes in the library. If you're looking for something specific, maybe there's an arm balance or an inversion, maybe there's a particular body part you'd like me to create a class about. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love your feedback. The light, the love, the wisdom in me sees, honors, reflects, and encourages the light, the love, the wisdom in you. Namaste. I hope to see you again on your mats very, very soon. And until then, may your light be your guide.